Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depends on where you are watching this video from. In today's video, guys, this is a video where I'm going to show you a place where we are going to buy some timbers for our house. Like I told you in the last video, I said we are preparing to finish up or to complete our roofing sheets and everything. So right now we are going, or I'm going to Dollar Town Center to look for timbers and just to look for some nails and some other stuff. So it is just a wonderful thing that the money that we've saved, we kept it so long until this time. So it is a good thing. It is now a good thing that it should be in use. So I need to use the same money now to buy these things. So we saved about, like I told you, we saved a 10,000 kwacha, and this is the same money that we are going to use to buy the 35 timbers and 20 timbers, the small and the big ones, and some other little stuff like nails, also like roofing nails for the timbers and some other stuff. So guys, I'm in an area which is so special, one of the area that I always use to pass through, which is Chipukus area, and I'm at New Fountain area somewhere here. So this is what is happening, and this is the video for today. Guys, I'm in Dollar Town Center right now, heading to the sawmill. So first and foremost, I just wanted to check something from this side, and then go to the sawmill. In short, I just want to check for the driver first, the person who's going to take me to the timbers. So I'm heading there. Guys, I'm laughing. Why? Because there is a lot of change which is happening here, and this is one of the biggest change. The way I was expecting the timbers, they're too expensive. Guys, I'm sorry for the bad sound. I was trying to explain something. Now the weather is not good, it's too windy today. So I was saying that I went to check on timbers at this certain sawmill here in the Copperbelt province, Ndola to be specific, near Chisokone bus station. This is where timbers, this is where they sell timbers. Now the prices of these timbers were too much. You can imagine I prepared money for 175 each. That is a big timber, and the small one, which was somewhere around 75 kwacha. Now there they told me to say the big timbers, they're selling it at 200 kwacha. The small timbers, they're selling it at 120. And I was shocked. I need 35 of the big timbers and the small timbers, which is 20. Now, when I calculate the money, it is not giving me the actual amount. So I came here once again to check on this sawmill. I came here in Dollar Town Center to buy timbers for my roofing sheets, nails for the timbers. And I thought to myself to say, quite right, things might be expensive, the timbers might be expensive. Now I cannot go home without buying anything. So I had to buy, and I said to myself, God will be in control, or God is in control. This is the driver who is going to take me home. I had to buy it. I'm going to review the amount of money that I've spent here just buying this, and we've saved 10,000 kwacha. Hey guys, I've managed to buy timbers. Though the price was too high. I just need to sacrifice. And the mindset of being a businessman got into me, and then I went to him direct, to the owner of the sawmill. We discussed. He asked me to say, how many timbers do you need? I said, I need 30 of 150 by 100 by 50, and the 50 by 50, 20, and the fisher board, 6 of them. So I was like, okay, let's do this. We negotiated from 200 kwacha to 180 kwacha. So I was like, so you guys, you wanted me to pay you a lot of money, but he said no, we were just trying to make business. That's how we make business with the people that we know. So since you've become our customer and you've become our friends, this is how we are dealing with you. So thank God I'm done with this. Though the money that I prepared, we exceeded the amount that we really wanted to have, or the money that we really prepared. So, and again, I just need to wait to save some money for the repairs, because I've run out of money. I'm telling you, I've run out of money, and my building still requires some money to continue building. Wow. Hey guys, we are home now. We are now trying to put these timbers in order. So the money that we spent here just buying timbers alone, that was 9,975 kwacha. Small timbers, we bought them at 2,000 kwacha. Each timber was going at 100 kwacha. Fisher boards, each one was going at 250. and we bought 6 of them, which is 1,500 kwacha. And the big timbers, they were going at 185, which is 6,475 kwacha, big timbers. And the total amount came to be 9,975. In dollars, we can say $343.9. Imagine, just imagine. And we saved $345. No transport. No transport, guys. Just timbers alone. Mamotoka kare kuchivalolera nchi amfano kukazuwa first queen chef yam number first faseshe chitembo chawe. Hey beautiful people, I think the work is done, and unfortunately the work or the money that I had saved for that work, my people, I'm telling you, I'm left with nothing. Remember, I was saying that we saved 10,000 kwacha. The other money will go for timbers, and the other money will go for the bricklayer. Now, imagine I'm left with nothing. I even got the money from my pockets for the shop. You see, just to put, or just to make it like, okay, things can look like, okay, we've done something. Anyway, at the same time, I'm so happy that I've bought the timbers. Now it's just that time to look for, I think, if it's not $200 for the person who is going to put the roofing sheet there. $200 is enough for him. Why? Because he charged us somewhere about $500. So that $500, I had to pay him $300 already. And he said that the other money you're going to pay me when I'm done with the other part. And this is the part where we've managed to buy those timbers. So I'm just going to save again, try to work a bit, and save that $200 that I'm going to give him. Transport wise, for me, I did not count the transport, like, okay, the timbers whatsoever. I forgot about that. I had to pay a $50 for transport. So anyway, I'm short of words, and anyway, at the same time, I'm happy that I've done my part. I've done this little part that remained for me. So guys, and thank you for the support, thank you for your love, thank you for watching this video. You liking this video and sharing this video is everything to me. And for some of you might like think to say, okay, I would love to help you in this, may give you $1 so that you push your work. Please, the number is on the screen. Your support is needed. So thank you so much. Right now I'm heading back to the shop, guys. I'm heading to work again. You know, I need to save quite all right. I've just said that I need to save money for the bricklayer. It's not only the bricklayer, also I need to buy roofing nails. I also need to buy timbers nails, a lot of things. Like I told you in my first video that I posted, to say there is a lot of work here, and this amount of money that I'm having is nothing, which is true. So there is a lot of things which is concerned on that building, and we are still going, we are still moving slow but sure. So guys, thank you for your love, thank you for watching this video. This is our day where we bought our timbers for the house. Thank you.